In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more clients on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's kick things off by discussing the importance of setting the right foundation through profile optimization. First and foremost, you want a clear, benefit-driven headline. This should showcase who you help and how you do it. Think of it as your elevator pitch that lives right at the top of your profile. Next up is your profile photo. A professional image combined with a banner that aligns with your brand can make a significant difference. Now, let's delve into your About section. Structure it using a problem and solution format. Speak directly to your ideal client's challenges and provide insights on how you can help them overcome these issues. Don't forget to utilize the Featured section of your profile. This is a great space to add links to your website, testimonials, case studies, or even your lead magnets. Once your profile is polished, it's time to define your ideal client. Creating a persona is crucial. Go beyond basic demographics. Understand their roles, daily challenges, pain points, and what goals they're striving to achieve. Knowing exactly who you want to attract is key to ensuring your outreach and content resonate with them. Now let's talk about finding leads. LinkedIn search tools are a goldmine for this. Use the search bar to filter connections by location, company, and job title. For a more tailored approach, consider utilizing LinkedIn Sales Navigator, which offers deeper filters such as seniority level and company size to refine your search even further. Once you've identified potential leads, it's time to warm up the connection. Avoid sending cold pitches immediately after connecting, as these can come off as insincere. Instead, engage with your target's content by leaving thoughtful comments on their posts. This approach will help build rapport. When sending out connection requests, make them personalized by mentioning something relevant to the prospect. As you transition from conversation to meeting, focus on sending value-first direct messages. Keep your messages short, friendly, and avoid being pushy. The goal here is to pique curiosity rather than close a sale right in the inbox. To increase the chances of engagement, consider including a low-pressure call to action. This could be asking them to review a resource you've created or inviting them for a quick discovery call. Now, let's not forget about the importance of consistency in posting content. To build your authority, share actionable tips, frameworks, and client success stories that highlight your expertise. Be sure to respond to all comments thoughtfully, transforming them into mini conversations that foster engagement. Showcasing your personality and values is essential for building genuine human connections in this professional setting. Finally, tracking your progress is vital for ongoing success, and using a customer relationship management tool can help you stay organized. Whether you opt for Notion, Trello, or even Google Sheets, keep tabs on who you have contacted, who has shown interest, and where your meetings are scheduled. Regularly analyzing which messages and profiles convert the best will allow you to refine your strategy as you continue to grow your client base. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to landing more clients through LinkedIn, enhancing your professional presence, and making meaningful connections. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find success with these strategies.